Hello, everyone. Oftentimes, when I have a conversation with a person about my philosophies, my understandings, and my teachings about the spirit soul, our true nature, and the life that we're living, they get so captivated and always try to persuade me to do lectures and to go teach people what I know. The main reasons I don't actively seek out people to explain what I know is because I'm a firm believer in destiny and that everything happens the way it's supposed to happen. Those who are destined to know the truth about our higher self, the spirit soul, the reality of our nature, the purpose of our existence, and how to attain nirvana will naturally find these videos on their own. The second reason I don't actively share everything that I know is because I'm a firm believer that people should be allowed to believe whatever they want to believe, and that my belief shouldn't trump theirs, and I shouldn't enforce what I know on them, especially if they don't want it. Which takes us back to the first point, where those who are curious about spirituality and meditation will naturally find these videos, and for the people that are not destined for this, I shouldn't actively go and bother them. I shouldn't go and disturb their peace. Everybody is allowed to believe whatever they want to believe about the purpose of life, about the meaning of life, how everything was created, how everything was made, your relationship with nature, and so on and so forth. The only condition that you need to make sure of is that your philosophy and your life perspective gives you nirvana and enlightenment. Your perspective on the meaning of life and creation is totally up to you. But you can tell if your philosophy is a true philosophy, if your philosophy gives you peace and happiness, if it gives you nirvana. If your life philosophy and your foundation for your existence gives you anger, anxiety, stress, depression, sadness, hatred, greed, lust, or any other negative emotion not associated with being enlightened, then you know that there's something wrong with your philosophy. And it would be in your best interest to keep digging for the truth so that you could attain nirvana and enlightenment and really live a true and meaningful life. The reality is, our life is beautiful and life is also a miracle, and that we're super lucky to be here. If your life philosophies or your life beliefs make you forget that and make you less grateful and more angry, then your life philosophies aren't doing anything beneficial for you. It is just harming you. The realities of this world and the reality of the truth sets a person free. So my philosophy is that I'm a spirit soul, just suffering from the good and bad karmas from my past life, currently in this body, and I'm continuing to utilize this body to further advance myself, further open my mind, further become in union. And this philosophy gives me eternal peace and happiness. It makes me feel grateful and it makes me feel connected with every single person. If your personal philosophy is different, but also makes you feel this way, also makes you feel happy, also makes you feel blessed, also makes you always feel at peace 24/7, then there's no need to change your philosophy. And there's no need for me to convince anybody to change theirs either. But if your philosophy on life doesn't make you happy, then you might want to explore a different path, a path where you can truly find nirvana, peace, and enlightenment. Thank you all for listening, and I'll see you all next time. Hare Om. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in meditation, spirituality, and living a true and meaningful life, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can know if these videos are actually helpful.